Let's begin with the first type of waste in lean manufacturing, which is overproduction. Overproduction occurs when we produce more than what the customer needs, produce earlier than required, or produce faster than demand. This is considered the most critical waste because it creates many other wastes such as excess inventory, additional transportation, storage costs, and even the risk of product obsolescence. For example, if the customer demand is 6,000 units, but the plant produces 10,000 units, the extra 4,000 units simply sit in inventory without creating value. Overproduction also leads to working capital blockage and increased storage costs. Lean manufacturing addresses this waste through techniques such as stack time alignment, pull systems, Kanban, and production leveling or Hijinka, ensuring that production matches actual customer demand. The second type of waste in lean manufacturing is waiting. Waiting occurs when people, machines, or materials are idle and not adding value to the process. Common examples include operators waiting for materials, machines waiting during changeovers, or delays in approvals from engineering or management. This type of waste directly impacts operational performance by reducing overall equipment effectiveness, lowering productivity, and sometimes causing missed delivery schedules. Lean organizations reduce waiting waste through methods such as line balancing, fast changeovers, using SMED, preventive maintenance to avoid breakdowns, and clearly define standard work processes. The third type of waste in lean manufacturing is transportation. Transportation waste refers to the unnecessary movement of materials between processes that does not add value to the product. For example, raw materials stored far from the point of use or products being moved multiple times between buildings or departments. This kind of waste increases material handling costs, raises the risk of product damage, and extends overall lead time. Lean organizations address transportation waste by improving plant layout, implementing cellular manufacturing, and keeping materials close to the point of use so that processes flow more smoothly and efficiently. The fourth type of waste in lean manufacturing is overprocessing. Overprocessing happens when we do more work on a product than what the customer actually requires. Example include maintaining a tighter tolerances than necessary, performing double inspections, or creating excessive documentation that does not add value to the customer. This type of waste leads to longer cycle times, increased operational costs, and a reduced overall throughput. Lean organizations reduce overprocessing by clearly understanding the voice of the customer, standardizing processes, and simplifying operations so that only value added activities remain. The fifth type of waste in lean manufacturing is inventory. Inventory waste refers to excess raw materials, work in progress, or finished goods that are not immediately needed by the customer. For example, keeping 30 days of raw material stock when only 7 days are required, or allowing large amount of WIP to accumulate between processes. Excess inventory blocks cash flow, consumes valuable storage space, and often hides quality or process problems. Lean organizations reduce inventory waste through practices such as just-in-time production, Kanban-based replenishment, and better integration with suppliers to maintain only the inventory that is truly needed. The sixth type of waste in lean manufacturing is motion. Motion waste refers to the unnecessary movement of people during their work that does not add value to the product. For example, operators walking long distances to collect tools or materials, or bending and stretching repeatedly due to poor workstation design. This type of waste can lead to operator fatigue, increased safety risks, and reduced productivity. Lean organizations reduce motion waste by implementing 5S practices, improving ergonomic workstation design, and reorganizing layouts so that tools and materials are easily accessible at the point of use.
Waste in lean manufacturing is defects. Defects occurs when product or services fail to meet the required quality standards. Common examples include rework, scrap, and customer returns, all of which require additional time, effort, and resources to correct. Defects lead to direct material loss, higher cost of poor quality, and potential damage to the company's reputation and customer trust. Lean organization reduce defects by implementing practices such as Pokayoke or mistake proofing, root cause analysis, Six Sigma methods, and building quality at the source so problems are prevented rather than detected later. The eighth waste in lean manufacturing is unused talent. This waste occurs when organizations do not fully utilize the skills, knowledge, and creativity of their employees. For example, when there is no suggestion system in place or when operators are not involved in improvement initiatives, ignoring employee ideas can lead to low morale, loss of innovation, and stagnant organizational culture. Lean organizations address this by promoting a Kaizen culture, implementing suggestion systems, encouraging cross functional training, and empowering employees to actively participate in continuous improvement.